Eduardo Chiva. No que fuera tampoco.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I thought I would turn on my SDRplay Duo Tuner and just see what's on HF. And there's quite a few things you can see from the spectrum here. I'm running SDR console, and I'm using my G5RV antenna. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. The solar flux index is 78, which is not great, but better than 60s. And I'm getting a lot of strong signals. This is Radio Martinique. Now, why I'm using SDR console instead of SDR Uno is the setup, the default setup for this SDR seems to give me better reception than my setup for SDR Uno. Now, that's my problem. I just don't have things optimized under SDR Uno. And I like the display, the spectrum and the waterfalls, and down the bottom I've got the frequency database. I like this setup rather than using the plug-in Fran to display the information about the various stations, because that just tells you the name of the station. This tells you a whole bunch of things, and there's even more stuff off the screen. So I saw these two huge signals. This one is 7.355. The database is showing me, and what it does, it highlights the frequency you're on. It's showing me these stations, and Radio Martinique is on several times during the day, and they're broadcasting in Spanish right now. And so I believe that's what it is. I did also go to this webpage, short-wave.info. I put in 7.355. I clicked on now, and it's showing the same thing, Radio Martinique, and that's the transmitter is up in Northeast United States. I think there's also a transmitter down here someplace, but they don't list it. So I think this is coming from up here, and it's coming in real strong, as you can see. If I can get back to that. There we go. So check it out. Try your shortwave radios. Hopefully band conditions will improve this year with the solar flux going up, and should be pretty exciting. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.